How to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. Pop-ups can be useful for certain websites or applications that require them, so let's get started. On your system, open Google Chrome browser. On the top right corner of the screen, click on three dots menu, and now click on Settings. On the left panel, click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and click on Site Settings. Under Content, click on Pop-up and Redirect. To enable pop-ups on Google Chrome, simply check this option. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirect, so check this option. This will enable pop-ups for all websites. But if you want to allow pop-ups for specific websites, then in Allow to send pop-ups and use redirect, click on Add button and enter your website, and click on Add button. So that's it, you have successfully enabled pop-ups on Google Chrome. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.